In this video, we're going to talk about crypto's biggest gaming project of 2023, Ultra, which is an incredible play-to-earn game. Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always go and do your own research before investing any money. Let's get into today's video. Now, as I'm sure you're aware if you've been involved in the crypto space or just in gaming as well, gaming has been absolutely booming towards the upside over the last few years, and everyone pretty much now has a smartphone. We've seen it expand even further, and now the blockchain is getting involved and play-to-earn gaming is becoming enormous. By 2026, it's expected to have a market cap of around $67.4 billion, which is absolutely huge. So there's so much room right now for new play-to-earn games and things coming into the space. Ultra, the future of gaming. Explore, play, earn, trade, and build your own terms. Ultra is a gaming hub that enables players, developers, and brands to discover the true meaning of freedom. It's aimed at breaking up the monopoly of online gaming, which is currently mainly taken up by Steam. It's going to give power back to the influencers, power back to the streamers, and there's all sorts of different play-to-earn functions as well as ways you can earn as a streamer through this new platform. Now, if we come down below, we can see it's a hub of applications built for gamers to thrive. So we got Ultra Games, a unique marketplace, and Ultra Arena. And each of these offers a different function. So the Ultra Games, you can take control of your gaming experience, and there's basically a game store. It also offers the opportunity for people who can create games to upload them onto this platform and to sell their games to other people. This is very cool because currently the world of gaming is dominated by a handful of major gaming companies. They basically have a monopoly and make it extremely difficult for other games and things to establish themselves in the space. And this is where Ultra's coming in to try to remove that monopoly. The whole point of moving from Web 2 into Web 3 and kind of like the generation of crypto is to move away from monopolies and give freedom and power back to the individuals. Now, many of these gaming platforms that are already in existence will take around a 30% cut of the revenue, making it very difficult for new games to be able to establish themselves. As well as that, streaming platforms such as Twitch and YouTube take massive cuts from their content creators. It's also extremely difficult to rank and do well on YouTube because obviously YouTube is a platform designed for all sorts of different things. Therefore, YouTube has many creators all competing for viewership, and that can be a bit challenging. New streamers, etc., can struggle to compete with some of the older streamers who've been on the platform for a while, and this again is where Ultra is going to come in and try and create less of a monopoly for fairer gameplay and much more. Now, you can see down below some of the different titles and things that they have available, and these are all the different trailers. You can see the prices of the games here. This one $49.99. Gaming reinvented, the ultimate destination for modern gamers. Ultra Games features quality first games, all on an interface designed to meet your gaming needs. Browse a wide selection of games, compete in tournaments, get rewarded from playing, receive exclusive perks, and much more. Now, what we saw traditionally with the original play-to-earn games was they were basically focused around the actual earning function, not really much in terms of the actual gameplay. So when we look at games today on Xbox, PlayStation, and PC, there's some incredible stuff there. Absolutely unbelievable what they are able to achieve. And now we're seeing those types of games starting to get more play-to-earn function. It's very exciting where the whole space is heading. Enhanced experience for players. Enter Ultra in a whole new way. The world has changed, and so has the way we want to play. Ultra provides you with everything you need to get the most out of each game that you play. Experience a new way to game. Get rewarded for all of your different games within the ecosystem. You can also buy, trade, and sell different things that you are earning, different things that you are interacting with in terms of the game. Also, once you've bought a game, you can go and sell those games on to other people. Super fast, super free. Ultra has streamlined the entire process for developers and players wishing to explore the newfound freedoms of the technology. And ultra safe for all. The Ultra platform is designed to get out of your way and let you play. It's easy to navigate, seamless to use, and extremely secure so that you can focus on playing games instead of losing hard-earned items and rewards to hackers, etc. And there's a focus on the future. I've already mentioned the massive shift that's happening in gaming right now, and every gaming platform basically needs to establish itself and be future-proof. So they have to continuously keep developing, and that's something that Ultra is going to be focused on. Now, within the games, you'll be able to play and earn different NFTs, which you can then sell, trade on various marketplaces. During your actual gameplay, you'll also be able to earn various rewards, and also by actually watching ads and things like that, you'll also make more digital rewards as well, which can obviously then go and be traded into different cryptocurrencies, etc. You'll also be able to access third-party games where you can participate in various different tournaments and so much more as well, making this this a very all-encompassing crypto gaming platform. There'll also be various forums, chats, and communities in order to bring gamers from around the world together who are all competing in different types of games to basically build up friendships and so much more. Now we're looking to developers, and there's no change here, guys. Ultra again is trying to make this a much fairer platform for all, not just players, but also the developers as well. You'll get a bigger slice of the pie, better tools, and an engaged user base. And you can see here that the distribution fee from Ultra will be 15% with a referral bonus of 3%, whereas if you look on Google, you're looking at 30%, Apple 30%, and pretty much across the board 30%. So 15% is a very much more affordable, literally half the price of everywhere else. Here you can subscribe as a developer, and then you can find out more about why you might like to work with Ultra. Better discoverability for your games. Ultra ensures that users can find your game with better tools for exploration and filtering. We've already talked about the reduced cost for developing, leveraging the Ultra SDK to reduce development time and cost during the smart play, take advantage of the secondary market where other publishing platforms restrict developers and gamers. Ultra will empower you to maximize your return on investment of time, and it's easy to get started, guys. You can upload and update and maintain your versions of software. You can geofence, allowing competitive pricing strategies. What that basically means is you can put a game for sale in, say, America, where the prices for games, etc. will be higher, and also in other parts of the world, like Indonesia, where I live, where games will be much cheaper. But obviously it depends on who you want to target in order to maximize the profits you see from your games that you've created. And you can also create and manage DLC easily through our killer backend interface. Developers will also be able to make money from in-game advertising and so much more that maybe they haven't been able to before. And the whole gaming ecosystem will be powered by the Ultra coin. The Ultra coin will be used to take part in different tournaments, different competitions, and it also can be traded for various different things. You can use it to buy NFTs, and ultimately you can then cash it out for different cryptocurrencies if you so wish. Now the Ultra coin will be known as the UOS, and everything on the platform runs on this coin. So if you're looking to get involved and play different games and things on this platform, then you need to be able to purchase the UOS tokens. Holding these coins will let you participate in various different beta testing and pretty much everything else that's going on this gaming platform right now. So in summary, Ultra is a brand new gaming platform hoping to give power back to the developers, power back to the gamer, and so much more. There's tons of different games available on the platform and tons of different ways in which you can earn rewards through gaming, viewing ads, and so much more. Everything I've talked about is linked down below in the description. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you want to learn more about play to earn gaming, crypto, NFTs, and so much more, then hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.